How to make a bee trap from a 2-liter bottle. Wasps can become a nuisance and be a danger to your family when they build nests on or near your home. Building a trap using a 2-liter bottle is a safe and easy way to rid your yard or home of the stinging insects. Traps use a sugary bait that will attract the wasps, and allow you to dispose of them without harm. Things you'll need: box cutter, stapler, ½ cup honey or sugar, 1 quart water, screwdriver, wire string. Remove the label from your 2-liter bottle. Soaking the bottle in warm, soapy water will loosen the glue and make removal easier. Cut off the top of the bottle with a box cutter. Make the cut about 4 inches from the top cut at the point where the curve of the bottle ends. Turn the bottle top upside down, and place it inside the bottom of the bottle. Line up the cut edges, and staple the sides together every 2 inches. Mix ½ cup honey or ½ cup sugar with 1 quart water. Pour the bait into the plastic bottle, making sure the liquid coats the sides. Punch a hole in both sides of the wasp trap near the top. Thread a 14-inch piece of string through the holes, and knot the ends to secure. Hang your wasp trap in a tree or on a fence post. Tips: warnings. Hang your wasp trap 20 to 30 feet away from areas frequented by people. Empty your bottle of trapped wasps frequently.